If you're going to visit Hanapepe and walk across the swinging bridge of Hanapepe, here's what you need to know. The Hanapepe Swinging Bridge, historic suspension bridge that was built in 1911. The residents of Hanapepe still use the bridge to cross Hanapepe River. Does not cost you anything to cross the bridge. The bridge that you'll see is a renewed version, and it was restored 4 years after the damage done by Hurricane Iniki in 1992. The new bridge is solid and sturdy and made of reinforced steel, cables, wooden planks. Though it makes creaking sounds while crossing, there's no reason to question its robustness. As I crossed it, I noticed it leaned to one side. I wasn't afraid of it falling. But the little bridge in Kauai's biggest little town gets its name from its swinging nature. The swinging and bouncing of the bridge is an enjoyable experience for children, but can make some adults dizzy. Unlike most swinging bridges in the world, this one is short in height and is safe for the family and kids to cross. Kids will love this place. Compared to its counterpart on the west side of Kauai, the Waimea Swinging Bridge, this one is easy to cross and has good parking space for visitors. The Hanapepe Swinging Bridge is a 3 foot wide and has wooden railings with protective meshes for safe crossing. Do not be overly dependent on the meshes, as the changing seasons might have taken a toll on. Be aware there is a 15-person limit at one time. Do not swing the bridge. The bridge is mainly used by residents and school-going children who live on the western side of the bridge. It is advisable to cross the bridge and head your way back with respect for their privacy. However, there is an art gallery you can visit on the western side before you leave. The Hanapepe Swinging Bridge is a popular attraction in Kauai and is worth a stop if you're in the west. However, don't really expect something adventurous. This is an historic location that will make your heart hop with joy.